Hello everyone, this is Nicholas with Homes of Fredonia, and today we are checking out this full-size 16 by 76 single section home. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath. It's over 1,100 square feet, and this is the largest single section home that you can possibly order. Nice row of windows here on the outside. This home is very spacious inside. And we don't have this home hooked up to power, but there's a lot of lighting in here. First, we'll take you into the master. Here's your back door. And we've got the spacious master bedroom here. And this has a walk-in closet. And a pretty nice spacious bathroom here with a lot of storage in it, medicine cabinet. Really deep storage here, a lot of space. And we'll take you towards the other side of the home. A lot of windows, a lot of lighting. Here we are on the other side of the home. Here's your self-contained furnace. And we've got bedroom number 2. Got your full washer dryer set up for full-size washer dryer side by side here. All your connections ready to go with some nice storage overhead. We've got bathroom number 2. And the larger of the secondary bedrooms, bedroom number 3. And that's the whole house. Thanks for taking the tour. And feel free to reach out if we can be of any help or get you any other information.